Hello, this is Greg from SharePoint Maven, and today I would like to explain to you SharePoint Page Anchors. What are page anchors? It's a relatively new feature added to modern SharePoint sites and pages, and it's essentially an ability to bookmark a section or a particular set of words on a SharePoint page so you can easily find it. You know how sometimes you visit a blog post or an article somewhere on the web and it says click here, and when you click there, instead of going to a completely different site, it just scrolls up or down and just brings you back to a particular section on the same page. Well, that's exactly what we're talking about here, except now we have this ability, we have this feature available on modern SharePoint pages. Let me show you how that works. So here I have a human resources site, and this obviously page anchors are obviously pretty, very beneficial when you have lots of text, right? And you just need to point the users to a specific section somewhere, specific set of keywords, a bookmark. So I happen to have an HR site over here with a bunch of text. So let's pretend this is some text about the medical benefits, some policies, etc. So I'm going to edit the page. And the way page anchors work, they're automatically added uh, to all the headings. So when it's normal text, all right, you cannot really kind of bookmark or make it a page anchor. You have to highlight the text and pretty much make it one of the headings. So in this case, I'm going to make it heading 1, all right, which of course will make the text a little bit bigger. And in this case, again, all I did was I just went in here, highlighted the text, and under formatting, under the dropdown, chose one of the headings. I'm done. I'm ready to publish. Now, when you publish it, and then when you click on the header, all right, on the text, you will see this little set of links appearing to the right. All right, so you can, and as I hover over this set of links, you will notice in the lower left-hand corner of the screen the URL. And this is a direct URL, not just to the, to the page itself, which is this main URL. It's actually a URL to this specific section within a page. All right, so what I can do here, I can just copy the link just like I normally would. So I'm just copying the link so I can paste it later on. And then let's just pretend I want to link to this, to this anchor, I guess, to the section from somewhere at the bottom of the page. So let's just say I want to highlight this text, and I'm going to link. And instead of a link into a separate URL or something, I'm going to just paste this URL I just copied. You see, it's again the address, not just to the main page. It's a direct URL, a direct address to this particular section. So I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to hit republish again. So now, as the user scrolls through the page and reads through all the text, the users will now encounter the URL, right? Because I bookmarked it, and you can obviously say something like "click here to read about to read more about this and this subject." And when the user clicks, pay attention to what will happen when I click on this link. It scrolls me up. It pretty much, brings me all the way to the top of the page and brings me to the right section. All right. So again, pretty straightforward to do. All you need to do is just hit the edit button, highlight the text you want to bookmark, make it one of the headings, and then just copy the URL, and then just embed this URL into the text when you want to link the user to that particular section. And of course, don't forget to hit republish, which we already did. And at that point, as the user scrolls down through the list, when they click on the on the link, it will bring them to the right section. All right. This is a great feature if you, again, have lots of text and want to make it a little bit more interactive, so the assist your users with finding the right stuff. If you are maybe creating sections and paragraphs and chapters and want to build kind of a manual table of contents, that's another trick you could use. Pretty much create a number of headings, and then just build a manual table of contents with the links. All right, so hopefully you learned something new today. As always, happy to see you on my blog, sharepointmaven.com, as well as my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Have a great rest of the day. Goodbye.